It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. And I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me.
Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of this Spend the Evening with me. I was gonna cook dinner, but I really don't feel like it. I kind of had like a really sucky day, so I'm just gonna go to bed. But I want to show you guys the fit because it's from my lingerie boutique, AjaiOfficial.com. It will be linked down below in the description box for you guys to check out. This is just our, I don't know if you guys can see, our black satin robe, and then this is our up late PJ set. It's actually a set. I tucked the top into the shorts, made it like a romper, but it's really a two-piece, and it has spaghetti straps. They're adjustable, and the little lace detail up here. So yeah, I think I might do a shower routine or like a skincare routine or something for you guys next as far as like lifestyle content. But definitely let me know what you want to see in the description box, well, the description box, in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere, girl.